It's now testing two cutting-edge unmanned fighter jets, the YFQ-42A by General Atomics and the YFQ-44A by Anduril, as part of the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program. These AI-driven drones are designed to fly alongside piloted aircraft, taking on high-risk missions and redefining what air power looks like in the 21st century. General David W. Alvin, Air Force Chief of Staff, called this a critical moment. The testing phase bridges the gap between design and flight, reducing risk and laying the groundwork for upcoming flight trials. Engineers are putting the drones through rigorous tests, from propulsion and autonomous systems to sensors, communications, and ground control interfaces. The goal of CCA is simple but revolutionary: create autonomous wingmen that can fight, jam enemy radars, scout, and strike, all without direct human control. Pilots will set the strategy, and the drones will execute it using onboard AI and machine learning, even in radio silence, under enemy jamming, and in fast-changing battle scenarios. Both aircraft use powerful turbojet engines, enabling them to keep pace with modern fighters at supersonic speeds. Their stealthy profiles, modular design, and internal weapons bays make them ideal for both frontline combat and support missions. And unlike traditional aircraft, these drones are cheaper, don't need pilots or life support systems, and can be fielded in larger numbers. CCA marks a shift toward a distributed strike network, where swarms of low-cost, hard-to-detect drones operate together to overwhelm defenses and unlock new combat tactics. It's the future of aerial warfare, flexible, fast, and smart.